Strategic implications. One successful space crash just upgraded humanity's survival odds by millions. The strategic implications of DART's overwhelming success rippled through every space agency and planetary defense program on Earth, fundamentally reshaping how we approach the cosmic threat of asteroid impacts. When the momentum enhancement discovery proved that deflecting dangerous asteroids could be 26 times easier than previously calculated, it wasn't just a scientific breakthrough. It was a species-level game-changer that moved us from theoretical planetary defense to proven, practical capability. Military strategists, space engineers, and government officials suddenly realized that protecting Earth from city-killer asteroids might not require the massive, expensive missions they had been planning for decades. The implications extend far beyond just building bigger rockets or spending more money. This discovery means that relatively small, affordable spacecraft could potentially redirect near-Earth objects that pose existential threats to human civilization. Space agencies worldwide began recalculating their planetary defense budgets, realizing they could potentially defend against multiple asteroid threats with the same resources previously allocated for single missions. The kinetic impactor technique went from experimental concept to proven technology overnight, giving humanity its first real planetary defense weapon that actually works better than designed. But perhaps most importantly, the success demonstrated that we don't need decades of warning to mount an effective defense. The momentum enhancement effect means faster, more responsive missions could potentially handle threats detected with shorter lead times, dramatically improving our cosmic security posture.